Start with this line.
There was this gathering which I had to go because it was organized by my family, and I was really late, and so then I thought I need.
You have to use this line. Maybe 6 foot should turn up somewhere in the speech.
I had a company as well, so I thought it was the weather was fine. The weather was fine too. It was very mesmerizing, and then suddenly I was wet, but I thought I was the only one. But no, there was many other people because it was raining, and then.
He knew that was so wet when he. Try. No. So she tried, but then too much for her. Come. Oh. Topic is you love Seema. Just say the word Seema. What does it sound like? Forget the spelling. What does it sound like? How can you not get this?
Actually, the picture that you put don't exactly look like professional scene men.
Exactly. Exactly. That was the whole point.
Okay, I got the point.
No.
Picture. About the pictures point.
Right? Now you can relate to the picture. It's too late to zip up now. Start. Now he's finally got it. Start speaking. Start.
So, a very good evening to all of you. I would like to share a story about my last vacations, which I happened to be at one of the beaches, and probably I would say it was a party whole night, and just most of us were drunk, and just people don't know, and we all were enjoying, and it was the time when actually something happened, and something unusual happened, and restart.
Start. Is that hard?
Some of them. Okay. A very good evening to all of you, and I'm glad I got this topic. And I must say that I really love seamen, and it's just the fact that I like the way they sail over the waves all through the night, and moreover, you feel very relaxed with them, and
At least let's have a round of applause for trying. So I have one more topic, but then I'm not. It's okay. We'll give in this. I think we can skip. Is anyone up for it? No one's even making eye contact, except for him, because now he knows I'm going to call him again. So, can you go to class? Right, skip one and then. So, skip. Go back once. This is also one of the topics. Anyone likes to speak on? Would like to speak on it? No? You?
Okay, let me get started with how Aditya wanted it. When I lifted my skirt, I could see that it was rising upwards. I was totally, shocked because I had been working hard to, not. I've been working for quite some time, but then again, when I actually had the moment of truth arrived, and but then again I was really shocked, and I couldn't see things properly. But then again, when I lifted my skirt, it really went up, and I was totally shocked. I did not expect such a reaction. I was hoping that it wouldn't, but it did. You must be wondering what happened. Actually, I'd been working out for a long time, for the past 6 months, and I put myself on a weighing scale, and I couldn't see the numbers, so I lifted my skirt, and I saw that my weight was going up. I did not want it to be going up like that, but yeah, I lifted my skirt and I saw that the numbers were going up. I did not want it to be that way, but unfortunately, that is how it was. Now I have to go back on more working out. So.
That's nicely done. So with that, we'll close. And last night. this was the real purpose. The intent was to kind of, firstly, to help you guys feel comfortable with an awkward topic. As you can see, none of you were very comfortable here. Why? Because of the sheer, the topic itself, the theme of the topic itself. The second, and the reason why we had those ugly pictures, most of them, was because of this reason. We wanted to kind of force you to think, kind of break the clutter and make you think differently. Because what happens is that when you see an image, most of you kind of evaded that because you did not know the meaning of it. But had you known the meaning of it, you would have kind of just start thinking on those lines. What we wanted was for you to kind of come up with an innovative way or to kind of surpass this whole predicament that we put you through. So that was the real purpose. But this gives us a very good, topic to reflect on, that we're not really comfortable speaking about such things and how we shy away, even though all of us are, as I said, at least 22 plus, and maybe we are not required or there's no warrant for such a discussion to ever come up. But what if it comes up? Or what if you're kind of having this discussion? Will you giggle like a little girl, like how you have in bio classes, when someone said something, or sex education classes if you've ever been through one. But then most people do what? They giggle, they kind of find it very amusing. And then they say, you're not mature enough. So is this, kind of an indication that we're not mature enough to handle these topics? To speak in front of girls as a guy, or in front of guys as a girl? I'll leave you with that thought. So with that, I think that comes to an end. The impromptu session comes to an end. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. And my God, you're a really nice bunch of people. I didn't expect that. So, but then again, when he came up with that pitching a tent thing, I was a bit perplexed over there because, finally when he looked at me, the look was like, even you don't know of this, like I'm supposed to know. But then again, initially I thought that was something exotic. Okay, now moving on to the evaluators for the day, we'll start off with the timer. That is Gautam. Please give us the timings.
As there were only 2 prepared speeches, Parth took 5 minutes 40 seconds and Aditya took, as usual, 9 minutes 10 seconds. And in terms of the impromptu speeches, my time was in negative, I think. I didn't even start. And then Aditya took 1 minute 40 seconds for that explanation to us that how it should go on. And Anjali took 1 minute. Anusha, I don't know the full name. This Anusha took 55 seconds. Alok took 48 seconds. Then this Anusha took 1 minute and 10 seconds. I skipped that. I'm very sorry for it. And that's it. Your speech was that good that I got involved in it.
Next up, I would call upon the grammarian, Anusha. I too don't know the full name.
This was a very good session in terms of language and everything. There were very few flaws in your speeches, so kudos to that. Some faults that I found was it's not the India, it's just India. Again, in the sentence, there was the life, no, it's just plain life. And it's not for Lakshadweep, it's to Lakshadweep. And someone else used the phrase, is it inside it? We are a little lost, probably elaborate on that. And also, it's not a party whole night, a party that lasted the entire night or something of that sort. That's about it.
Next up is the R counter, Rahul.
Parth Yadav at 9 hours, Aditya 1,
in an impromptu section. Gautam 0, as no speech was delivered. Aditya 1.
Sorry.
1 hour. And then Shashank 2 hours. Anjali 2 hours. Anusha B 4 hours. Alok 2 hours. And Anusha M 2 hours. Next up, I would call upon the speech evaluator for the prepared speeches, that is Anusha. And I do know the full name of this.
Hi, though there were no prepared speeches in the beginning, finally two eventually have turned up. First one,
Path.
Parth. Though it was unprepared, the content was really good, but since you haven't prepared beforehand, there was a structure lacking. Probably you can try giving it again. And most of your sentences are very short. Probably if you put more time, you can elaborate them, add in more examples. And you were standing on one particular spot, and you were not moving, and even your hands, you kept them behind you. At least I could see like you were loosening up. That could be stage fright, or maybe because you don't know what you're going to speak next, so you're thinking. And when you were speaking about hobbies, the way you put forward your points was good, but you was not showing any enthusiasm while you're speaking. That was what advised to us when we were giving interviews also. When you're informed about something which you like, you should show them that you're actually just by the name you liked. If you said you like music. When you say the word music itself, you feel like as if it mesmerizes you so much that that's how you portray your interest. And as I said, there was a lack of structure. Probably next time when you give your speech, you can do that. And Aditya, I don't think any flaws. Probably he should start with the topic heading because we don't know what it was going to be about. And but the structure is a bit lacking. So probably when he thought that he don't know what to put forward, he was trying to engage us. And then I don't know what the exact intention was, but that's what I felt. And apart from that, there were no flaws in terms of grammar, and he was in the stage, and he was persuasive enough. In the end, he left us with a question, making us think about what was really, the next step. So it was a bit controversial too, according to some of us. So according to some of us.
Next up, I would call upon Shashank, who is the impromptu speech evaluator for the day.
Most of the evaluation is taken care by Aditya, but I'm going to just list out negatives and positives about your appearance over here. So, starting up with Anjali, the subject was, I think, understood but not delivered properly. So, listing out positives, okay, I like that thing. Listing out positives first. So, I think good presence over here. Again, the confidence was there. Most of us lacked confidence talking about that topic. So, confidence was there. Eye contact was there, mostly. So, starting off with the negative, time, only 1 minute. And again, I think that it was not according to the theme. So, that was one negative. Anusha, positives was, I think it was very small speech. So, only positive I could come out with was English. English was good. So, and the only negative was subject was not understood, I think. I think the whole theme was not understood. So, that was the only negative. Alok, positives were you were smiling all the time and eye contact was there. And the negative was you were laughing yourself. I mean, I felt that was not necessary. So that was only negative. Again, Anusha M, fast thinking. That was, I think I am impressed with that. Very good fast thinking. And no eye contact was not made during your speech. So that was one negative. Thank you.
So for the impromptu session, I guess eye contact seemed to be a common recurring problem. I think I can guess one. So before we close the session with the general evaluator, let us take a vote count for the prepared speeches. So, for Perth. 8. How many for Aditya?
This is essay. It's okay.
Did you or did you know? Sorry.
So, but we have run the floor.
Finally, the general evaluator for the day, Anjali.
So today again we started late and the attendance has been an issue, so we have to do something about that because of that the whole impromptu speeches, it did not really go as I'm sure he must have planned, and we all were very naive as well. So I mean we all must be looking forward to a sex ed class. So prepared speeches, only Parth gave a prepared speech, and even an impromptu it was okay. I mean, given the number of, and so that's my evaluation. And
Evaluate the evaluators.
okay, Anusha evaluated Parth really well, and even the impromptu sessions, the evaluation you gave, positive, negative, is really nice, and we are able to close the session early today, so good. Thank you.
Anjali.
Very much.
That was it for the session 19, I guess. That was today. So we'll see you again in the next session, which should come up sometime in Monday or sometime next week. Thank you. Thanks a lot for today.